Hey guys, it's Kilby here with the Property Hats team. We do both New York and New Jersey, Marizete and I. So here I am. I want to chat about New Jersey for a second. To get some background to Hoboken. Obviously, you can see that's the Freedom Tower and New York City behind it. So I was chatting with a client earlier in Jersey City Heights, and they were looking to get a pricing evaluation, CMA, so to speak, on their property. So a couple tools that I have. So let's just share my screen and kind of jump on. If you're ever interested in learning more, I'd love to help you. So basically I have, let's say, I can start with the Paragon, which is the Hudson County MLS. So I can give you all the active market reports for Hudson County right here. And then I can jump into this, which is a RPR, which is fed through Hudson County. It also picks up for sale by owners and other stuff. Let's just take a quick look at Jersey City. So this is what I have set up right now. Get 123 for sale in Jersey City, 89 for rent, 34 price change, 92 sales pending, 58 closed, 98 lease that are closed, 2 distressed properties. I have a number of different towns, Jersey. So I have a Hoboken set up. I have Union City, Weehawken, and Northburg, and that kind of stuff. So you got a whole bunch of different tools, mapping, reporting, investor analysis, opportunity zones, CMA. But if we just want to talk about creating a report, I'm going to jump on real quick and go to reports. And we'll bring it up right here. Let's just take a quick look, activity report for the Heights in Jersey City. So I can develop this for you. So it kind of brings up the area of the Heights. Median home value is 708,000, 1.61% change over last month. You have different types of value over the last 12 months, 24 months, 36 months. Distressed property map here. Median sales price there. Median list price. Number of properties that are listing, pending, low, median, high. Whole bunch of different stats here for you. Here are some of the new listings, and these are the areas. So you can kind of go over, like if you're going to price your home, you want to obviously see what the competition is. So you have this. I can produce all this for you. So if you're trying to come up with a price on your home, this is a really cool tool. You can also, I can also provide for you a neighborhood report. So it kind of gives you. So you're comparing the Heights to Jersey City, the Hudson County, to New Jersey in general, and to the whole U.S. So this is a really cool tracker. You can see where the home values have gone, median versus price versus listing price, stats about the population, the density, all sorts of stuff like this, neighborhood reports, all different data, economic data that these charts have, quality of life data, walkability scores, and it gives you a whole description here about how they bring up their data. So this is just some of the tools that I can use. If you're interested in learning more on how to price your property, if you're looking to sell your property, it could be in the next 6 months, year. If you're looking for something down the road, you just really want to have an idea of what your property is worth today. Obviously, I would need to see it, but we can really do something online first. That way you can have a general idea. So just reach out to me. You can hit me up DM. My contact information is here. You can also check out my website. I'm happy to give you some information on your property. I got some really cool tools I'd like to share with you. So if you have any more questions, once again, it's Kilby Browne. Hats off to you. All the best. Talk to you soon. And have, as always, a fantastic day. Bye-bye.